Now this is the question. 3a by b to the power minus 1 plus 2b by a to the power minus 1. What we'll do here? 3a, divide sign is there, by sign is there, we will just change it to divide sign. So 3a divided by 1 by b inverse means 1 by b, plus 2b divided by a inverse means 1 by a. Now divide sign will be changed to multiplication sign if we make the reciprocal. So 3a into b by 1, so can be written as into b, plus 2b into a by 1 can be written only a. So 3a into b plus 2b into a. So 3a into b can be written as 3ab, and here it's 2ab. Now 3ab plus 2ab, it will become 5ab. Here is the question number 4 second. 5 to the power 0 into 4 to the power minus 1 into 8 to the power 1 by 3. So 5 to the power 0 can be written as 1. Why? Because again the law of indices is there. Anything to the power 0, it becomes 1. A can be any number, but if the power is 0, its value will become 1. So that is why 5 to the power 0 is 1 into 4 to the power minus 1 means can be written as 1 by 4 plus 8 to the power 1 by 3. Now 1 by 4 it's written as 1 by 4, and 8 we have to do the prime factorization. So prime factorization done, 2 4 times, 2 2 times, and then 2 1 times. So 2 to the power 3. So instead of 8 we have written 2's cube to the power 1 by 3. You can skip this prime factorization if you learn the squares and the cubes of each term, like 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, up to at least 30 square, and cube also 1's cube, 2's cube, 3's cube. Then you can easily identify ki whose cube it is. 8 you can easily write it as 2's cube if you learn those values. But if you have not learned, then do the prime factorization and then find out ki how many times it will be multiplied to get 8. So 8 is 2's cube to the power 1 by 3. Again there is a law, a to the power m into n is equals to, this power will be multiplied, a to the power m into n. So that is why what we will be writing here, 1 by 4 plus 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. Now this 3 and 3 if cancelled, so it will get only 1 by 4 plus 2. Now simply we have to take the LCM. So 1 by 4 to LCM is only 4. So it's 1 plus 2 4s are 8. So 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. Now it is improper fraction. So all the improper fractions should be converted to mixed fraction. So it is 4 2 times 8 and 1 remainder. So 2 1 by 4 is the answer. Now here the question is 5's first. 8 by 125 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. So what we will do here? First of all, we will be changing the negative power to the positive power. So it is 125 by 8 to the power 1 by 3. Why? Because there is a law, a to the power minus m equals to 1 by a whole to the power m. If the power is negative, we can make it positive by just making the reciprocal of the base. So here we have done the same. Now 125 is the cube of 5 and 8 is the cube of 2. Either you learn it or do the prime factorization to find it. So 125, when prime factorization is done, we found it's 5's cube and 8 is 2's cube. So what can be written? 5 cube by 2 cube. So and whole to the power 1 by 3. So this can also be written as 5 by 2 whole cube to the power 1 by 3. Now this 3 and this 3 can be multiplied. Why? Because same law, a to the power m whole to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. So it's 5 by 2 3 into 1 by 3. So this 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So it's 5 by 2. Again the answer is in improper fraction. So convert it into mixed fraction. Here the question is 0.027 to the power minus 1 by 3. So first of all, this is a decimal, so you have to convert it into fraction. So it's 27 by, how many decimal places are here? 1, 2, 3. So that is why divide by 1000. Whole to the power minus 1 by 3. Now 27. So do the prime factorization. 3 cube. 27 can be written as 3's cube. And here 1000 means is obviously 10 to the power 3. Now both are having the power 3. So how can it be expressed? 3 by 10 to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3. That means power minus 1 by 3. Now again, as per the previous laws, we can multiply these powers because this law is already explained in the previous part. So 3 by 10 to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3. Now this 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So what will be getting? 3 by 10 to the power minus 1. And 3 by 10 to the power minus 1 can be written as 10 by 3 because a to the power minus m is equals to 1 by a whole to the power n according to this law. So 10 by 3 was coming. So it can easily be converted to mixed fraction. It's 3 whole 1 by 3.